Hello, Mloflo insiders. Just want to give you some new updates on exciting new features that we have just released. Make sure that your beta is clicked on. We have released pages and forms. If you go ahead and click on pages and forms, it will bring you over. So lead forms you can use and customize in any way that you want. So you can create different types of forms, questionnaires, go up to our template library. So let's go ahead and start here. In our template library, you'll already see some of our lead forms that are already created. If you go ahead and click edit, you can see the entire purchase lead form here. Makes it very, very easy. Scroll through, all your questions are over here. You can drag and drop in any specific orders that you want. You'll also see the identifiers that are your first name, last name, email, and phone number. And then you can just scroll through the questions, make any changes that you want. If you click save, now when I go back, I will see purchase lead form in my templates now. My action buttons, I can then publish it. And once it's published, the ability to copy the link, or I can also download a QR code that will then lead to this purchase form. Also have the ability to create a form from scratch. So up here under your new forms, you can create new form. You can use AI or you can start from scratch. And as you can see, you have the fixed identifiers. And then all you do is you'll type a question here. If you drop a question in there, over here, you can see that you can either have a paragraph so they can write in a particular answer. You can have a single choice answer, which then you can create multiple options, or you can pick multiple choice. So if you want them to be able to pick more than one, you have that ability too. You can also enter your form title here. You can also upload an image as well. And then up here, you can preview and then hit save. And you'll also see at the top here, you have questions, responses, in settings. In the settings, you can email the notifications for each response. You can also push to Mloflo. So if you turn this button on, it will also push directly into Mloflo. And then you can also create a new lead in the pipeline. So for example, for that refi or purchase lead form, you would want to create a new lead in the pipeline. This would be for a borrower, not a partner. And then you can also add new tags or add a tag so that anytime somebody fills out that form, that tag will be associated with that lead. So any responses that come in, you can see all the responses here. And then you also have the ability to download an Excel file, or you'll be able to see them in the actual dashboard. Now, after I change those settings like you saw, now I fill out a form. And when it drops into your pipeline, you will see that it will come in as a new lead, Dora the Explorer. It's been tagged purchase, sources lead forms. And now when I go into Dora, you will see a new tab that says lead forms with all of the answers to those questions. And then if you're on the phone with Dora, you can also add a question on the fly. This will not rebuild a new question in the form. And if we go back to just lead form, we can view the responses. And as you can see, here's Dora the Explorer. And then here's the ability to now download that Excel sheet as well. This is lead forms. What you will with it is absolutely flexible, customizable, and limitless.